How to delete Ticketmaster account. Welcome to Let Me Help and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can tap open your Ticketmaster application if you have installed in your device. You can easily find it in your Play Store and App Store. Just search for Ticketmaster. If it is available for your device or the reason, you can easily download the application. Once it is downloaded, just tap open. Make sure that you log in into your Ticketmaster account. Through here, you can easily book a ticket, seats, or transfer a ticket as well. Is it possible to delete your Ticketmaster account? So for this, you actually have to check out for the help and support portal of Ticketmaster. From your application, you can check out on My Account and head over to Help and Support, from where you need to search for Delete My Account. From there, you will find a portal something like this, and with a simple tap, you will have a form type of layout. You need to tap on Yes on to having an account on Ticketmaster. Then on the request type, select on Delete My Information. Enter your first name, last name, email, and your state. Then tap on Submit. By doing so, after 30 days, your Ticketmaster account will be permanently deleted. Also make sure that you don't have any payment left or the ticket or the events left on your Ticketmaster. In that case, you won't be able to close or delete your account. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.